Okay, about digital key. This is what we program for this Bentley, and that's it. When you have this in your hand, you don't need to use the old key anymore. You can get into the car, press the start button, fire it up, baby. It tells you lock and unlock on the car. And also, if you want a different vehicle, we can use the same key for example, Porsche. And then when you undo the car, there's going to be a Porsche logo. And it can be a Stadio Porsche. On this vehicle, on the vehicle selection, it works. I recommend one of this key for everybody. It's so cool, it looks so classy, and it's good to have one.